seriously, who isn't glued to a screen these days, right? Phones, laptops, you name it.
Yeah.
We're living in a digital world.
It's true.
And we all know getting out into nature, it's like good for the soul,
Yeah.
But let's be real. It's not always doable. But what if I told you, you can get a little bit of that nature fix virtually, and it can actually, like, really, truly help your well-being?
Interesting.
That's what we're diving into today. We're
Huh.
checking out this YouTube channel, Benji's Clubhouse. They got these, like, super chill videos of their ducks and geese, even a chicken, just, like, living their best life on a homestead.
Okay.
And it's all about finding those moments of calm and, like, de-stressing.
I love it.
Right. But here's a really interesting part.
Yeah.
Benji's Clubhouse, they're not just about cute animal antics, right?
Yeah.
They're all about how these videos, even just these glimpses of nature through your screen, can actually make a real difference in how you feel. We're talking like improved mood, less stress, even better sleep, and just like not feeling so blah all the time.
Yeah. Right. And the fascinating thing is there's a lot of science that backs this up. Like our brains, even when we're looking at a screen, they still respond to natural imagery in really powerful ways. So say you're watching a video, even just a video of like a babbling brook.
Yeah.
Studies show that can actually lower your cortisol levels,
Wow.
which is that stress hormone, right? It's like giving your brain a mini vacation without even leaving your desk.
It's so true. Like,
Yeah.
I can totally see that, just like a mental reset button.
Absolutely.
And I talk about endorphins too, right? Those feel-good brain chemicals.
Exactly.
So you're getting a mood boost just from like watching ducks waddle around.
It's true. And they also touched on something that I think is super relevant, especially these days, and that is increased attention span.
Oh, tell me more about that.
Think about it. We are constantly bombarded with notifications, emails, news. Like, it's overwhelming.
Yes.
But when you engage with nature, even virtually, it gives your brain this chance to like chill out and reset, which is huge for attention.
That is so important.
Yeah.
One of the things I was really curious about that I saw on their channel was this whole idea of like watching these videos can increase your sense of wonder. And I get like the feeling relaxed or happy, but wonder, like what's that about?
Yeah, it's pretty cool, actually. Think about a time when you were just in awe of nature.
Okay.
Maybe an incredible sunset or like a night sky full of stars.
Yeah.
That feeling, that sense of wonder, it's not just an emotion. Studies are finding it's linked to some pretty amazing physical health benefits, like one of them, reduced inflammation.
Really?
Yeah, and that's a big deal because chronic inflammation, it's linked to so many health problems.
Yeah.
Heart disease, depression, even autoimmune conditions. So while, of course, nothing can replace actually being out in nature, these virtual experiences can give you a little taste of those benefits.
It's like a little sneak peek.
Right?
A little like teaser of nature's goodness.
Exactly.
I love that. Okay, so even if we're not outside, even if we're getting our nature through a screen, there are still some real benefits.
Big time. And Benji's Clubhouse, they have this whole list, right? Reduced anxiety, depression, pain relief, better focus, even faster cognitive recovery after you've been, like, working really hard on something.
Like a mental refresh button.
Totally.
That's really cool.
And it can also, what's interesting is it doesn't just stop at your mental and physical health. It can even change your behavior. There's studies showing that just being exposed to virtual nature can make you more environmentally conscious.
Oh, interesting. Why do you think that is?
I think even when we experience nature through a screen, we're still tapping into that beauty and tranquility, and it kind of awakens this appreciation. And when you appreciate something more, you're more likely to want to protect it.
It's like you're fostering a connection, even if it's like through this digital window, right?
Exactly.
That makes a lot of sense. So tell me, how does Benji's Clubhouse bring all of this to life? Like, how are they actually using this stuff?
Well, they have this playlist. It's called Quack Therapy. And it's all those like calming, nature-filled vibes.
It's like a digital dose of peace.
Exactly.
I love them.
And it really speaks to this whole growing field of ecotherapy, which is really just this idea of connecting with nature in a therapeutic way. And even animals virtually can play a role in that. They can provide companionship, reduce loneliness. Think about how you feel when you see like a video of otters playing or a lion walking through the savannah. It's just this sense of peace.
It's so true. Animals just have this power to make you feel better.
They do.
And what I really like is that Benji's Clubhouse doesn't just stop at videos. They've got coloring books, they have journals, and it's all inspired by nature.
Exactly. Like a whole toolkit for tapping into those benefits. There's something for everybody.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
So as we kind of wrap up here, I want to leave you with this.
Mm.
How are you incorporating a little virtual nature into your life? Maybe it's that beautiful nature photo you have as your phone background, or maybe you listen to like rain sounds while you work.
Yeah.
Being mindful of those choices and actually seeking those experiences out can make a huge difference, like honestly. And if you need some inspiration, check out Benji's Clubhouse. You might just find yourself feeling a little more relaxed, a little more focused, and definitely more connected to the natural world, even if it's just through your screen.
I love it.